So, you guys ready for the big announcement? Yes? Drum roll, please. So this year, we will be making No Reception, written by Mark Westin and Natalia Roberts.
Woo!
So last week in the feature film pre-production class, we had an opportunity to discuss the merits of the various projects, and as I said, all of these projects represent hugely original, entertaining, amazing projects that are on mission. So we're very blessed to have such a fantastic pool of projects, but as we discussed it, No Reception, I think, is a particularly good fit for year 2 of the feature film program because it has aspects of producibility, it's on mission. I think that it gives us opportunities to stretch ourselves from a production standpoint and pull off ambitious things, but things that are not too ambitious. So I'm really excited to enter into this undertaking with all of you. And again, please, one more huge round of applause for all of our writers who worked so incredibly hard.